This is what you call weight reduction.
That's one way to do it.
Reducing a lot of weight.
Work in progress.
Yeah. It's a work in progress on that.
Well, tell us about it.
Well, you want to know?
Anything and everything.
I ain't no expert on this. You know what we're doing is that was the hydraulic unit. So that's the hydraulic unit, just took off. Here's the PTA unit. That shaft runs from the back clear up to the back of the motor. So we're taking that off and whatever else we can, because Owen's going to pull this, so you want to get it.
Yeah.
He wants to get it as light as he can.
Yeah.
And then you have brackets, and then you put your weights on, so where you want it, instead of having weight where you don't want it. So one of the next things to do is take this off. This is a belt pulley unit, so whenever the tractor was made, there was a belt pulley that bolted to here, and big belt would go up, and you can run thrashers or with a big wide belt. So I don't want that, so that will come out there sometime. So I've just been tinkering around here today and doing a little bit.
Because Owen's at work.
Yeah, Owen's at work.
This is Owen's tractor and Owen's project, but Owen and his dad Jared here are more or less working on it together.
Yep.
So why did Owen get an Oliver? Did we ever get any backstory on that?
I don't know.
Because it's a John Deere family.
He wanted an Oliver.
Do you think if a John Deere had come along first, he'd have got a John Deere instead, or this is just?
No,
did he look at some John Deeres?
I think he looked around. I tried to talk him into a John Deere. He wanted an Oliver.
So what category of tractor pulling are we talking about with what he's attempting to do here?
It'll be stock classes. It just depends on the rules of what they're considered stock class.
Right. So we're basically talking about a recreational, just for fun, go to the local fairs kind of tractor pulling thing. We're not talking about a $250,000 machine.
Oh no.
When we're done with it. So.
No,
but he's upgrading the engine considerably.
Yeah, it's expensive enough.
It is. It is.
But yeah, so I mean, there's some other places that do maybe have a pull once a month or something like that. You know, that he might do
some pulling clubs,
yeah.
Things like that. This what's going to go in it.
Yeah.
So basically, just getting it ready to accept.
Yeah. So once we get this
other engine,
once we get this out and get it cleaned up, we'll set that motor in here. It'll be ready to go in.
And this is the engine that came out of it.
Yeah.
That's in the screen now.
Yeah.
That was the original engine.
It's a diesel. Yeah.
And does it have
it's just,
a name or?
No, it's a Waukesha diesel.
Waukesha diesel. Yeah. Oliver 88 is the tractor.
I don't really know what horsepower it was. Yeah, so we're just getting ready to get this one put in.
Will it be more power?
Yeah, it'll be more. It's just a different style motor, but it's still Waukesha. So yeah, it's not a.
So you got a timetable? Like, when would you estimate you might have the motor back in it and it won't be a deconstructed tractor anymore? This is January 2nd.
Probably tomorrow.
2026. Nuh-uh. I think you might be exaggerating.
I don't know. I mean, you know, we get that other thing off and get it cleaned up. I mean, it won't take very long to set that in there.
Well, ultimately, the fair that Owen probably wants to pull at is in August.
Yeah.
End of August, middle of August. So probably the overall goal is to have it back together by June, July, right?
By June, because there's some fairs starting up. He'll want to test, try it out in June. So
well,
should be ready to go, hopefully.
And just as we finished up looking at the tractor, UPS stopped by and got a fuel separator system. So that is a different project. That's a first gen Dodge project.
I just started in and started turning. Now, you gotta decide. You can unbolt this off of here. So you either just use this or get you a cover.
Probably just use that.
So just unbolt this,
Yeah. Take
And-
and take these out.
take him out and plug him, and just use this here. Yeah, because that's aluminum, so it's light. That way you don't have to buy a cover.
Gas.
You need to take this off so you can count your gears. But next thing, and this is going to have to be cleaned up. We're going to get a rag and lay down in here. Is this belt pulley?
Ciao, man.
Just pulled off the coupler. So I think it's them bolts right there, and them around there you see,
Yeah.
and then it comes off, and then whatever we gotta make or have made or get over to cover it up. The crown out I've taken off a lot of weight. That stuff's all heavy. Anyway, that's what I've been working on.
That's what happens when you leave Dad alone with your tractor project.
It's not mine, I mean, it's tear it apart. So, anyway.
Y'all are the best.
Now what are you doing?
Four-wheeler wouldn't pull the old Oliver up here. I had to put a weight down to block it. It looked out scooted the wheel.
Yeah.
It was scooting the whole thing.
Tractor's heavy.
Well, I didn't think it weighed that much. I figured it
5,500 without any weights on
that weight or that what? No, but
it. Cast frame.
I figured that four-wheeler pull that thing right up there. But it didn't want to.
I wondered what that was laying there for. It looked random and
It was
useless,
frame
but
wire. So right here,
you had a use for it.
a tool to take the gear shifter off. So see, there's this gear shifter. Hold it up. There's up on there like that.
Yeah.
So this thing here I made.
Yeah.
The slide actually went like this. Slide under it. I guess it was like this.
Okay.
Slide under it. So you can take this off. Reeds and bend.
Yeah.
There's two springs. There's spring air and a spring air. If you don't do that, when you go to pick it up, it'll fall down in the transmission.
Ooh.
So, hey, found that out from watching YouTube.
Good thinking.
So,
And you made a resourceful tool there.
yep. Yep, so.
Repurpose something scrap into something useful. So will you use that again when you're putting stuff back together?
Probably not.
No? Okay. One-time use.
Yeah.
That's good thinking though.
I may use it again to put it back on. Probably will. Anyway.
Nice.
I made some tools.